going on? So, trying out this new GoPro GP10 Sena backpack. Gonna do my first ever Moto vlog. Enjoy. I haven't been riding in a long time, so I always forget stuff. I like to put on the right shoes. I like to have ankle protection because I've crashed so many times now that I like to have the proper ankle protection. So as you can see in front of me right now is the Insta 360 1X. Hopefully we can integrate it into some Moto vlog. Kind of testing right now to see how it does in this area for speed and bumps and whatnot. So I got the small rig handlebar / bar clamp. That's Sean! Joey's back there, and I think his bike died. Nope, he's good. Careful, there's lots of little pebbles. Holy shit!
God damn! What the fuck is the matter with this guy?
Hey! You know speed limit's 35, not 135. But I guess, hey, it's not like we haven't drag raced on that road before, so.
Yeah, but that's my road. He actually lives in the neighborhood too. Fuck it. Oh, sorry, I can't cuss.
No, you can cuss. I'll just
Sorry.
beep it.
And it's just gonna be beep.
Be like, son of a beep.
BJ,
Every time Joey talks, it's gonna be like beep, 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 beep.
Yeah, that's Don Vito, don't mind him.
Alright, fat boy needs some gas. Okie dokie, Smokey. Got the 360 going on. Wave, Joey. It can see you.
No, it can't.
Yeah, it can.
Oh, God.
My bike just died. Overloaded it with some fuel. Sean's license plate lights flashing.
That just screams pull me over.
Yeah, it looks cool out. Clouds and the light coming through, snowy mountains. That was cute. It's crazy how far off you can see. See the hotel's way out there? Say what? Oh yes, I see him. Not here, Lane County.
He's just coming through to fuck your bitch.
Yep. Somebody has to.
At least somebody's hitting it to be seen.
I know, I haven't even seen the bitch. 65 degrees, don't feel too bad.
Nah, it doesn't.
Biker gang coming through. Gang, gang. That's what the kids say. Gang, gang. Gang, gang. Is it more like this or something? So this.
Hey, girl.
Hi.
Yeah.
Cool car.
She's like, fuck you guys. Little dicks, little bikes, we get it.
That's what I want them to think. Because you can't disappoint if they have low standards.
Here.
Oh, hey, boy. Hi. How's it going? Where are we going, right?
Yeah, follow the car. No, this way back.
I said right, and you said yeah. I said right, and you said yeah.
Sorry. He's dyslexic.
Woo! Oh, there's a little bit of snow. These houses are nice. Oh, so there's these super sick houses that I like, this neighborhood that's kind of in between you guys and us. And I picked this old guy up, probably like late 60s. And I was like, man, I love your house. I really like it. And he's like, thanks. Me and 6 other friends bought houses on this block. I was like, what? He's like, yeah, we bought 6 other houses. He's like, and my son, so I guess we have 7 houses on this block in this neighborhood. I was like, that is awesome. I was like, what made you guys decide to do that? And he's like, we just always kind of wanted to do that since we were younger. And I was like, that sounds like something me and my friends talk about.
Fuck yeah.
It's moving good. Gonna be nice once it gets all tuned up. Feels pretty good.
Honestly, no, it feels like shit.
Okay.
But, I mean, I can tell it's kind of getting better. But it's still really, really wonky.
Are you watching your... No, you're not. You should be checking...
No.
You should be checking your air fuel.
My phone is about to die.
I need to put one of these on.
I'll still launch on you faggots, though.
Still needs to be tuned.
You're that sight shot it, boy! I did! On you, motherfucker!
Just give it a little time.
Hello, motherfucker. You ready for me to do a pull now? Yeah, okay there, buddy. Damn, we were booking. I still had 2 more gears to go. I'll roll you in first gear, though, again. So it's not about the launch. 1, 2, 3.
Who got who? Joe? Did Sean get Joey this time?
Yep. Hey.
Joey's got that little 212 that could.
Can you stop fingering your ass in traffic, please? Is there any better time to do it?
Right? That's like the whole point of fingering your ass.
The question is, why don't you finger your ass while you're in traffic? Like, what the fuck?
Yeah. It's your problem.
Fucking nerd. Oh my god, I'm getting a toe cramp.
Oh my god, my toe hurts.
It's too cold. Everybody cancel Christmas. My name's Sean. It dropped 1 degree lower than I like. No, toe cramp.
We're pretty close to Summerlin, aren't we? I swear we're like...
Yep, and we have like 30 minutes until it's fucking dark. It's gonna get cold, so let's hurry it up.
Alright.
Whoa, Pat, you fucking crazy? I mean, I don't like you sometimes, but not enough for you to kill yourself. Can we not die? Pat's got a fucking death wish. You know, he's got a death wish.
Perfect. Back to those days. I was running in one place. Set a pace. Feel like I've been running in one place. Yeah, I've been feeling pretty good. I've been feeling great. I've been feeling how I should, how I really should. Been growing up way too fast, like where is my childhood? Lyrics legendary, like I am Robin Hood. Flowing good, like I am some driftwood. Doing things I said I can when others said I could. Showing up the class studying, I try to make good. I am from the West, but I'm not talking Clint Eastwood, yeah. I was thinking about these times, 2 a.m. in my room, creating music with some rhymes. I was feeling divine, third place, took a lot to reach the finish line. But now I'm here, love your Shakespeare. Try to talk one-on-one, but motherfuckers always in their feet. That's so watching down, looking at the fucking atmosphere. Gucci, they be prophetess. He's white and he's speaking fast as see an auctioneer. But I get it, I fit in, I beat it, a motherfucker wanna murder that beat. But I get it, I spend it, not credit, I get it from Reddit, I read it from Reddit, I get it repetitive, feeling offended, I look at my words again, wanna start shit again. Really wanna start shit again, run it back to all of those days. In your bedroom, recruiting for phase. Eating some chips, they were always late. Fantasizing about buying some J's, but you got no money to pay.
Fix your camera.
I have it like that on purpose.
Shoes fresh like an apple off a tree. Red ones costing me like 15k rupees. Dark gloomy days, needs to have vitamin C. Took a long time to get back into this reality. Back to those days. I was running.
Welcome to downtown Summerlin, where you too can spend way too much money on anything you buy in this whole mall. Oh, we got fans.
But how is that welcome for you? Yeah, apply but get no one to view. Yeah, now you're almost 22. Yeah, taking in no revenue. Yeah, that's a sneak preview. Yeah, of the life you be living. No cooking, no kitchen. No 60 for mission. Flowing iron, such an ambition. Not scheming, pushing like a pitcher. Cold out in the midnight. Cold as a stitcher. Fire like a some chicken. Get bitches. I'm ditching. I made a decision. Do you see the vision? Back to those days of songs actually written by the artists. Now they're all this shit.
Anybody want to get some threading done at Patel's, or some henna art?
Can they thread my butthole?
We could go ask.
Because God knows you need a bleaching.
As long as I get it on video, I'm down.
Great footy.
Front row parking, thank you very much.
That thing is so bright. Pat, you bleeping bleep ass, bleepity bleeper. T-shirt, I'm out.
We should all move to Arizona and buy houses on the same block. Oh, my nipples are so cold right now. sucks is when I'm recording, I can't listen to music. It's so depressing. Sean, are you listening to music?
Nope. Listen to my heartbeat.
Oh, snap! Boss life! Alright, guys. We had a nice little ride. It was refreshing. Well, I am very impressed with this small rig mount. I'll put a link to this in the description. A link to the Insta 360, the GP10 by Sena, which is how I'm using this for my voice. Well, I'm going to call it at that. I thank you all for watching my first ever moto vlog. And like, subscribe, comment. I'll talk to you guys later. Peace. What was that? Your alarm?
Yeah, fuck you, bro.
You're my hero. I wish my bike had an alarm on it.